What's up, DEXTools community? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Before we jump into the new beautiful burn dashboard, I wanted to note that DEXTools has integrated over 70 different chains, and you can pretty much find any token you're looking for and trade it on DEXTools for free. Let's get right into the burn dashboard. There's a ton of information on here, and I'm going to explain what everything is. At the top right here, you have the DEXT burn, which is 686,000 DEXT, which is 0.68% of the circulating supply. You have the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, DEXTools, which is just trading over 25 cents, and the DEXT and ETH pair right here. Here you have the daily burn, so you can see how much DEXT is being burned approximately per day, and the highest day with 65.6k DEXT burned, which is just insane. You have this circulating supply of DEXT right here, starting at approximately 102 million, and we're just going to crack under 100 million circulating DEXT supply with approximately 7 million DEXT burn each year. So you can take a look at the amount of DEXT that's going to be burned in 24 hours, in 7 days, and in the last 30 days, approximately over 500,000 DEXT, 0.58% of the supply. You have the amount of holders right here, approximately 15,000, and then the price to update the social networks on DEXTtool, which is 2,300 DEXT. It's 46% cheaper to pay in DEXT than it is to pay with Ethereum or any other crypto. Here you have the total burn. 10+ million DEXT has already been burned, and an expected 7+ million for the upcoming year. You can click this and take a look at all the burn transactions, burn, and it's not going to stop. Let's get back to the dashboard. You have buy pressure at approximately 20.17% and an expected price at 88 cents in 1 year, which is huge. And this is all because of the aggregator wallet and the social wallet. So you can take a look at how well the aggregator wallet is performing in ETH and BSC terms. So 100% of the revenue is used to buy back and burn DEXT with the aggregator wallet. With the social wallet, it's 100% of the DEXT that's being burned. The ETH and BNB is used for marketing acquisitions and other activities. DEXT is deflationary. The circulating supply is going to keep shrinking. Do not miss out, especially with the launchpad around the corner and other huge updates. I'll see you guys in the next episode.